2005 Case IH JX75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Has approximately 1,320 hours on it. The tractor has 72 horsepower. The engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations. It is a very nice clean tractor. The tractor was traded in locally here. It did have clear coat peeling on the hood, so the hood is repainted. We had that locally done here by a local professional paint shop, so it does have a professional paint job on the hood. Tractor is clean. Again, pre-emission engine, 1320 on the hours. Has the four-wheel drive up front here. We do take trades. We also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers, and then also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. You can see the wheel here does have some paint peeling, a little bit of damage here in the fenders, but very minor. It's got the single rear remote outlet back here. Top link is here. Has 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, stabilizer bars on both sides. Nice clean tractor, as you can see, and it does have the flat deck platform for the operator. Forward reverse lever here to the left, and then you have 3 ranges in the shorter lever, and then 4 gears in the larger lever. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. 3-point hydraulic controls all over there to the right. PTO engagement is here to the left. Looks like the current hours are 1310.3. We also do take trade-ins. If you have a trade-in or from a longer distance, we can work with pictures. If you text or email us some pictures, we'll be happy to help you. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any other unit on our yard, please feel free to contact us.